Hey, travel lovers. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever spent hours trying to fit everything you need into one suitcase or struggled with overpacking, you're not alone. Packing for a trip can be one of the most stressful parts of traveling, but it doesn't have to be. In today's video, I'm going to share some of my ultimate travel packing hacks to help you pack smarter, lighter, and faster for any trip. So, whether you're heading off on a weekend getaway, a week-long adventure, or even a long-term travel journey, these tips will save you time, space, and a lot of headaches. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss out on our latest travel tips, hacks, and inspiration. Ready to pack like a pro? Let's get into it. 1. Start with a packing list. The key to staying organized. All right, let's kick things off with the first hack. Start with a packing list. Now, I know it might sound obvious, but it's a game changer. Before you even think about opening that suitcase, make a list of everything you need. Trust me, this step alone will help you stay organized and avoid forgetting important items. For short trips, your list can be simple: toiletries, clothes, chargers. For longer trips, break it down by category: clothes, accessories, tech, travel documents, toiletries, and health essentials. This will not only save you time, but it'll also help you avoid overpacking. Use a packing app or a checklist template on your phone. Apps like TripIt or PackPoint can help you customize your list based on your destination and the length of your trip. They'll even suggest what you might need based on the weather and activities. 2. The power of packing cubes. Organization at its best. Now, let's talk about packing cubes. These little gems are absolute lifesavers. If you're tired of rummaging through a messy suitcase to find what you need, packing cubes will change your life. They help you organize your clothes into compartments, saving you time and space. For example, I like to use one cube for shirts, one for pants shorts, and one for underwear and socks. This way, I can easily find what I'm looking for without having to pull everything out. Use compression packing cubes to save even more space. These cubes allow you to squeeze the air out of your clothes, giving you more room for other essentials. Perfect for longer trips where you need to maximize your packing efficiency. Rolling your clothes versus folding, the best technique. Now, this one is a classic packing debate: rolling your clothes vs folding them. If you're still folding everything, let me tell you, you're missing out. Rolling your clothes is the most effective way to maximize space while minimizing wrinkles. Plus, it's a great way to fit more into your suitcase without overstuffing it. Start by rolling t-shirts, jeans, swimsuits, and even jackets. But make sure you leave your most delicate items, like dresses or suits, unrolled and placed on top. Use the bundle method for delicate clothing. This involves wrapping your clothes around a central core, like a sweater or shoes, to minimize creases. It's like creating a perfect little bundle of clothes. Minimize toiletries, travel-sized, multi-use products. Now, let's tackle those toiletries. One of the biggest mistakes we make when packing is overpacking on toiletries. But guess what? You don't need the entire bathroom cabinet. First of all, go for travel-sized bottles. You can find reusable ones at most stores, or simply buy the mini versions of your favorite products. And don't forget the 3-1-1 rule for liquids if you're flying. Liquids in containers of 3 ounces or less, all placed in a single 1-quart sized bag. Opt for multi-use products. For instance, a shampoo and conditioner combo, or a moisturizer with SPF. This way, you're cutting down on the number of bottles, saving space, and keeping your toiletry bag as light as possible. The magic of Ziploc bags, your travel hack MVP. Let me tell you, Ziploc bags are your travel hack MVP. They're inexpensive, versatile, and essential for organizing small items. 6 packing for different types of trips. Versatility is key. Every trip is different, so you want to pack clothes that are versatile and can be mixed and matched. This doesn't mean you need to sacrifice style. It just means you should focus on bringing items that work for multiple occasions. For example, you can easily go from a daytime sightseeing tour to an evening dinner out by packing a pair of black pants, a smart shirt, and comfortable shoes. Throw in a scarf or a statement accessory, and you're good to go. Pack clothing that can do double duty. A lightweight jacket can work as a windbreaker during the day and as a cozy layer in the evening. Neutral-colored clothing goes with anything and makes it easy to mix and match. Tech packing, gadgets to bring and what to leave behind. Next up, tech gear. It's so easy to go overboard with gadgets, but trust me, you don't need everything. Start with the basics. Your phone, of course, a power bank, and a universal travel adapter if you're traveling internationally. A tablet or e-reader is also a great alternative if you want to save space and avoid carrying books. Minimize tech gear by choosing multi-use devices. For example, use your phone for photos, videos, and as your ebook reader. If you're into photography, a compact camera with a good zoom lens should do the trick instead of packing multiple cameras. Snacks and essentials. Keep things handy. Lastly, don't forget about your snacks and essentials. It's always a good idea to have some healthy snacks like nuts, protein bars, or dried fruit packed in your bag, especially if you're traveling on long flights or road trips. Also, keep hand sanitizer and wet wipes on hand. Especially when traveling through airports or public transport, pack a travel-size reusable water bottle. Many airports now have water refill stations, and staying hydrated is key while you travel. And there you have it, the ultimate travel packing hacks to make your next trip a breeze. Whether you're heading to the beach, the mountains, or the city, these tips will help you travel smarter, lighter, and more efficiently. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We've got more travel tips, hacks, and destination guides coming your way. Until next time, happy travels, and remember, pack light, travel far, and always enjoy the journey.